Guys, so massive news. The FTX payments are starting today, and we are already seeing people already got paid. Here you can see finally I have received into my Kraken account. If we are going to X and basically searching for the FTX payment, you can see someone received his FTX payment. Here you can see it is around, I think, 18,000, maybe 28,000. Probably 18,000 based on this. Someone else received 1.3 thousand in USD. Someone else, I just received a payment from FTX. Now the funny part is, so if we are looking at the FTX payments, this is quite funny. But here you can see these are valued in USD, valued at 2022 prices. So if you held one Bitcoin on FTX, you will receive 18,000. If you held one Solana, you will receive $15, which is insane. But the funniest part is that Ethereum is at the same price as it is now. So if you held at least one Ethereum or any amount of Ethereum, you will basically claim the same amount, that is the same value that is basically at right now. Basically Ethereum is at 2,678. If you receive it in Solana or Bitcoin, you're basically quite screwed, but still money is money, and $16 billion will be paid out in total. Here you can see basically the people that lost less than 50k will be basically receiving their money back starting from today. That's why you see people with 18,000, 1,000 basically are getting their money. Now, why this is super bullish is because most of this money will be going back to crypto. I wouldn't be surprised if we see big bumps today. Right now, nothing major is happening, but looking at the fact that 16 billion is a quite large sum, and in the next few months, all the 16 billion will be paid out. That's why really bullish. And yes, everyone is starting to talk about this. Only 14 minutes ago, this was basically starting to come. The news starting to come in the last 40 minutes. That's why Americans are waking up. They will see their money coming back to the Kraken or whatever. I don't know where the money is coming, in what exchanges, but still 16 billion is not a small sum. I think there are around 1 to 4 billion in these prices, when basically people that will basically claim below 50,000. I don't know. I think I read somewhere that's around 1 billion to 4 billion in total. And the next, if the people that lost above 50,000, that will be the big money, the 10 to 12 billion dollars. So don't fade crypto. Still huge, and you can see trading volume is going up, and I'm really bullish. Thanks for these things that will happen. And yeah, really bullish on crypto. If you want to check the latest news on this, you can just go FTX payment. You will see people that are receiving. And yeah, Cointelegraph is the best platform that are writing the latest news, in my opinion. And here you can see FTX 1.2 billion repayments, marquee moment in crypto industry. So $1.2 billion is the sum that will be paid out starting today. I don't know how long they will be paying, but still really bullish. And yeah, if you lost money in FTX, I don't know if you can claim. Maybe you can still claim, but if you lost, go do your research, claim. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Press like, press subscribe, and if you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto NFT airdrop alpha, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload you'll get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.